Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with my Bionic Blade, the handheld blender that's rechargeable, so you can make a fast, healthy shake anywhere. Bionic Blade is jam-proof. Just pick it up and move it around. Finally crush ice into creamy snow in seconds. Designed like this shake bottle you take to the gym, Bionic Blade has the motor and blades built right into the lid for fast, one-handed blending anywhere. And that motor generates a crushing 100 watts of power, while the quad blade technology slices right through, and the lithium battery can blend up to 10 drinks per charge. Make energy and immune boosters. Take your protein powder, milk, and just add fruit and ice. Bionic Blade quickly creates smooth drinks, but this is portable, so you can make a shake anywhere.
This is my go-to blender. I use it every day. I love that it looks like any sports bottle I was already using. It just happens to have all the technology hidden right here in the lid.
I can use all fresh ingredients. I push the button and it's easy to make something in seconds. This really packs a punch for such a compact blender.
This blender definitely plays into my lifestyle. Being able to make something right on the go is amazing. You take it out, press the button, and you have a smoothie in seconds. It's the most convenient blender I've ever used.
Try some ice cream and your favorite candy bar for a delicious thick milkshake. Even grind coffee beans and make a quick, refreshing iced coffee pick-me-up. And look, Bionic Blade even chops nuts to top a salad, or finely grates hard Parmesan cheese for pasta. Bionic Blade compact design is perfect for making smoothies anywhere. At home, in the gym, in the car, or even outdoors. With Bionic Blade, it's easier than ever to enjoy fresh, blended, nutritious fruits and veggies wherever and whenever you want. It's rechargeable and ultra-portable, blending up to 10 smoothies on one charge. And its powerful blades easily pulverize ice into snow in just seconds. Just press the button and feel the power as it blends right in your hand. So now anywhere you go, you can have a fresh blended drink with Bionic Blade.
Add to your basket now.